ladies and gentlemen, presenting Mr. Salman Khan. Yeah, Abigail. Hello, hello. ये इसका भी मौका मिलेगा. एक second. So we'll start with you, sir. Reactions have been through the roof. गाना जो है, it's already become so popular. आज ट्रेलर का टाइम है. आज पहली बार सुनने को मिलेगा आपके इस कैरेक्टर के बारे में. How's the reaction been till now? जिनसे भी आपकी बात हुई है about the teaser and the song.
Hi.
Can we turn up the mic, please?
So, the strange thing is that, whenever I see, the trailer or the song, and I see Om Puri, Om Ji in this, it just kills me. Because, I've done a lot of work with Om Ji since, years and years. And one moment he was there, and the second one he was gone. So it just, I don't actually enjoy watching the teaser or the song because I see him right there, and one morning we hear that he fell down and he was no more. This is my reaction. I don't know how you guys feel. I killed it for you, right?
No, it's overwhelming. Kabir, I'll come to you now because the way he started with this entire story.
I killed it.
Right? I had to. Kabir, your journey with him, right from Ek Tha Tiger, then Bajrangi Bhaijaan, and now, what has changed? I'm sure something must have changed for you that now with the third film that you're doing, the whole relationship must have taken a different turn?
Yeah, I think like any relationship, there's an evolution. And the more you work, the more time you spend together, you begin to... I'm sounding like I'm describing a marriage.
He's talking about Mini, not me.
No, but you...
I'm micro Mini.
You begin to sort of understand each other's sensibilities. You begin to understand each other's politics about issues. And that's what's been great. I think, a lot of people have told me that I've done 3 films with Salman and are you only doing this because he's a superstar? But I think I'm really, really fortunate that I've got, of course, the greatest superstar in the country, but I've also managed to do 3 very different films. I managed to get subjects that both of us were equally excited about. And that's the only reason the films came together, because the moment the two of us heard that story or decided that this is what we want to do, we were equally excited and passionate about it.
From what I've read, you wrote this film especially for him, but it's not the exact Salman Khan film that we associate him with. Your films have always been different when it started.
This film, the seed of the idea came from a film called The Little Boy, which I'd seen, and there was something about that idea, the germ of the idea that got stuck in my head, and we got in touch with the filmmakers and said, can we take the idea and adapt it to our context? And then once...
And one visual of that black label ka kuch.
Yeah. There was an ad, which sort of we put the two together and said, there was an ad about 2 brothers. And I said, this is an idea that I'd like to develop. And when I bounced it off Salman, he thought it was a beautiful character, it was a nice story. And that's how it began. Then I started developing the screenplay.
Sohail, to be real life brothers.
For me, you don't have to ask anything. It's a no-brainer. I have Salman Khan, I've got Kabir Khan, so it's a no-brainer for me.
I have to ask you this. When the cameras come on, you real life brothers, but when the cameras come on to play those real life brothers, does anything change? मतलब वो जो भाई का रोल आप प्ले कर रहे हैं on screen, जब shoot हो रहा होता है, does anything change from your real life chemistry?
No, nothing. In fact, when people ask me this, I think it comes easier we just bring our real life chemistry into real life. And
that was very important for me because, you know, the thing is that otherwise, if it was another actor, you have to build in the screenplay a lot of scenes to show the love between two brothers. Somehow when you see Sohail and Salman together, it's at one shot and you know, okay, let's proceed from here. You don't need to build it anymore.
So it's like a really emotional film, okay? There's no hard work in this film like in Sultan or in Tiger, running off, jumping off, you know, Kushti, Utha, Patak, all that stuff. But emotionally, this one was really draining because Sohail and me, you know, our brothers, and we're playing brothers here. So every time that something, you know, in the screenplay, you know, twist and turns, jahan pe emotional hota tha, it used to really mess me up. Now, if it was somebody else, me being a very limited performer, I would have had a huge problem. You know, it would look fake, false. So the best thing, yeah, everyone knows that. So.
No, I don't think after this film you'll say that. This is like really.
No, they will say it. They will say it. They will say it. And I'm happy that they say it. I like the rewards. I don't like the awards. Award function में perform करने के लिए I like that. Award के लिए मत बनाओ भाई. So it became really easy for me. Acting wise, because I was not actually acting, but emotionally it was really draining. Even when I was dubbing, it's embarrassing that a grown man, you know, standing there, and you know it's a movie, and you're dubbing there. I mean, chalo, you're acting, your brother's not there. You know, you have this thing that gone to war, whether he's going to come back, not come back, emotion. But when you're dubbing, so you know, not you're just, you know, just lip syncing and dubbing that thing. You know, tears coming out. That was really bad.
Okay, so I think now...
And coming from us, it's really bad. So there was a time where my dad and my mom and Bheju Chacha, they came to see me in jail. So my uncle saw me after a very long time. He says, how's it going? That's a good, nice one-bedroom suite. You know, it's cool. So my dad smiled. My uncle started crying. So my dad said, yaar, tum kaise padhan ho jao yaar, bahar jao yaar.
Okay, so for the next bit, I would request all of you to now turn off your cameras because now we're going to launch the trailer. So, आपको अपने cameras जो हैं वो बंद करने पड़ेंगे, ठीक है?
Yeah, but really we'd like to.
क्योंकि वो रात को 9 बजे वैसे आएगा, लेकिन
we can't. We're going to give it to you, but you know, if you record it and then release it, it won't look nice. There's a lot of work that's gone into it. So please, if you could switch off your cameras.
If you could switch off your cameras.
हमारा press बड़ा ही आज्ञाकारी press है. वो आपकी बात हमेशा सुनेंगे. Request करो.
Request तो मैं आपसे दरख्वास्त करना चाहता हूँ अगर आप अपना कैमरा जो है वो अब switch off कर दें.
विभा ने सुन लिया.
Please.
भारती.
Just for the trailer. We'll be giving it in 3 hours anyway to you. Thank you.
मिल गया 3 घंटे का.
बंद हुए हैं. Hello, gentlemen. Once again. This now has आपके सारे जो सवाल हैं वो पूछूंगा. So every single time I think आपका जब नाम कोई पुकारता है, आपकी मॉम का नाम भी उस नाम में है. She's a lucky charm for you, and इसमें भी she's a producer. You showed her the trailer. What was her first reaction जब फिल्म बन गई? क्या बोला उन्होंने कि?
I think Amar showed her the trailer yesterday.
उन्होंने भी पहली बार कल ही देखा?
Yeah, so she saw it yesterday. Actually, the whole family saw it yesterday in the afternoon. And it was remarkable because she said something really sweet. She said, I pray a lot before Salman's films come, but now because this one has Sohail as well, the prayers are going to be, you know, twice as much.
she has to for me. She's got no reason to pray for him. She has to pray for me. He doesn't need the prayers. I need the prayers.
But it's been such a long time that you both have been together.
Are you mad? I need it more than all you guys put together.
आप ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे हैं? आप ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे हैं आप?
ऐसे ही बोल रहा हूँ भाई.
Sohail, but such a long time that you've both shared screen space together in a film. जो पहले की यादें हैं and जो अब इस बार जो memories create हुई हैं, he's changed
our
so
last
much.
film together was got to see Greato. So whatever we do after that would have been magical, and fortunately we got Tube Light to do. So it's wonderful having shared the screen with Bhai.
No, we've given some great films together.
मैंने प्यार क्यों किया?
मैंने प्यार क्यों किया? God.
कौन बोला वो?
वीर.
अच्छा.
Hello, brother. That was Arbaz.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, but that was, as we always say, that Hello Brother was one of the most expensive home videos anyone can make.
Kabir, I have to ask you this question. From the time the first song debuted, and Pritam Da ye bhi, every song has one signature step जो सबसे ज़्यादा बच्चे जो हैं उसमें नाचते हैं, and they copy that. Conscious decision or it just happens? ये एक signature step होता है.
Yeah, see, obviously there's something called the hook step, which everybody does try and get in their songs. But with Salman, there's always been an attempt that, Salman also believes that it should be a step that a child can dance to and can copy, because that's when they can truly enjoy that song. So it is, and also in this, the character is simple. Jassi is definitely not going to do any great moves. He will do simple moves. So I think in a certain sense, it comes organically into the film like that.
So you're an award-winning choreographer now. Did you choreograph this step also?
What rubbish is that? वो वैभवी यार.
But did you come up with this step, the hook step?
It was it was by mistake. That what is that? Poor thing. For Jaggu Miya. It was by mistake. That's Hiral.
Of course. ये step किसने किया? जो main step है the radio.
Remo ने दिखाया कुछ और हुआ कुछ और, and I thought that I'm doing exactly like how Remo was showing me. So आप हंसो मत, बाकी गाने अभी तक देने हैं आपको. पिक्चर रिलीज हो रही है, 3 गाने अभी तक आए नहीं.
प्रीतम दा, your turn now. अब आपकी बारी है. गानों के बारे में हम बात कर रहे थे.
दादा एक दिन बात कर रहे थे फोन पे.
Yes, please, we need to. ये कहानी पता है.
So दादा एक दिन फोन पे बात कर रहे हैं. अब किसी से बात कर रहे होंगे तो उन्होंने एक मकड़ी देखी और कैटरपिलर देखा. तो दादा being this musical person, very soft, tender, तो उन्होंने वो कैटरपिलर को ऐसा लिया और बात करते करते उन्होंने फोन फेंक दिया बालकनी से. ये फेंकना था. उन्होंने फोन फेंक दिया.
No, people know the story ना, जब आप साइकिल भूल गए थे, फिर गाड़ी भूल गए.
नहीं, गाड़ी भूल गए थे. वाह. जाके कंप्लेन कर दिया पुलिस स्टेशन कि मेरी गाड़ी चोरी हो गई. नई गाड़ी अब भी ली, चोरी हो गई. स्टूडियो चले गए, वहां से रिक्शा में आ गए वापस.
Okay, one last question, but is it the toughest to compose for him because his songs, the larger than life personality, इनके गाने में भी वो झलकना चाहिए. Is it the toughest to make a song for Salman Khan?
No, actually not. Obviously, एक तो सिक्योरिटी रहता है कि कुछ भी गाना बनाओ, आफ्टर ही एक्ट्स इन इट, इट विल बी अ हिट. सो उसका कोई नहीं. बट ये मूवी बहुत, because the characters are like that, it's based in the 60s, so वो सब restriction रहता है with that. तो वो सब mind में रख के गाना बनाने में obviously थोड़ा सा, it's not like that you could put any item song or anything. Like you have to keep every character in mind, the situation in mind. वो हल्का सा restriction तो रहता है, but उसमें ही मजा आता है ना. तो normal गाना बहुत बना है.